Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. I will show you how to fix a LinkedIn account restriction and submit an appeal successfully. So let's get started. After that, select Yes if the name on your LinkedIn profile matches your photo ID. Over here, select whether you're currently traveling. Then, select whether you've accessed or created your account using a VPN. After that, enter your current location. Over here, select whether you've recently made any changes to your profile. Then, enter your appeal message. After that, include your name, LinkedIn profile URL, email address, the date your account was restricted, and your location. Over here, upload a government-issued photo ID, such as your passport, driver's license, or national ID card. Then, specify the type of ID you've attached. After that, check the I agree box. Over here, enter your full name. Then, click Submit to send your appeal. After that, wait for LinkedIn to review your request and notify you by email about the status of your account. And that wraps it up. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.